up, YouTube peeps? Taybug here, and I just listened to a podcast to get my motivation going, so I'm gonna do this. Anyways, today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to show you 3 different masks that I received in a little sample thing. This is not sponsored or anything, and I just wanted to show you guys what they smelled like, how they looked on my face, what they felt like, and end result of my face. Because I have rosacea real bad, so some things are like, they make my face really red, especially after I get it off my face. And I will show you a few tips and tricks along the way that will help with the rosacea part. Not completely go away, as you can tell, but just kind of get out, just not feed into the rosacea. There you go. Word. Enjoy this video, and if you do, smack that like button if you like videos like this, and subscribe down below if you haven't already and want to know more. So without further ado, let's just get on into this video. What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to do a little mask by Sephora. This is the pink lemon. This is just a sample, but I got this at a giveaway box. I think it was my first or second one. So I thought I'd give myself a top. My face isn't red. I started to break out really bad in these really bad spots, but it doesn't look as bad. It looked terrible earlier today. And I noticed my unibrow is not coming in as bad. We're actually getting somewhere, I think. Sit back and watch me. Mask is unifying and breaking. So it's gonna break in my face. And this is just a sample, so this is kind of what it looks like. What goes on behind the scenes of a video, you would be impressed. Also, while I'm putting the masks on, I will do a fast time lapse so you don't have to watch me do it all the time. Anyways, onto this mask. It is pink, but it doesn't look like pink when I put it on my face, and it does smell good. It is a clay mask, so it is kind of thick, but it feels rejuvenating on the skin and smells pretty good. I was surprised. So, I'm going to give that a quick dry for about 10 minutes, and I will be right back. I'm just going to wash it off. Now I'm going to do something different. I'm going to use a cotton round. I got these cotton rounds. They have literally saved my life because these things, they make my face really red. I don't like it. So I'm going to use this instead. I noticed today that my face is like not as red today. And then I realized, oh, so I'm just going to put some aloe juice. And a rack. This way it's not as red and it smells a lot better. Don't be surprised if you go through 2 or 3 of the cotton rounds while you're doing this, but I guarantee the results are worth it. and this is this one right here. Today's one is a Sephora green clay mask. It is purifying and pore protecting. Okay, so I thought I was gonna look like the Grinch with this clay mask since it's green, but I was wrong. This mask has tiny beads in it that is supposed to help get into the pores and clean them out. And it smells pretty good. It actually smells better than the first one that I tried. What the mask looks like now. I'm just going to let this sit for about 15 minutes or so, and okay, you guys, another mask down. Would I reuse this mask? No, because it's not all organic. But it was a good mask, and I was surprised by the results that it gave me. Oh my gosh, look at all of that. Look at all that dead skin. That is disgusting. I'm all about not letting my skin get all red. I've been doing very well. So, and I haven't been doing a mask at all recently, so, you know, it's gotta be done. Anyways, there's my face afterwards. It does not look bad at all. Like, normally it's even redder than it is. It's like going down like about, I'm gonna say that like 5 times. It's about half the tone down. It's not that bad. If I had used a rag, it would have been way worse. Just making it clear. But I do like this mask. I'm not breaking out or anything. I am going to put some water cream on just because it helps just rejuvenate your skin and everything. I need to invest in one of those cotton rounds that you can just like wash and then just reuse, and then just get a more like every week instead of putting time into it. But I do what I got, so I go through these quite a bit. Like, if I use them every day, I would be out of them in like 2 weeks. Anyways, I take this new botanical stuff. I will link that in the video down below. Basically this is just, it has botanical oils in it, and it helps just bring more life back into your skin and everything. Since I started using this about, not every day, but almost every day, I have noticed a big difference. Also, I haven't been wearing makeup lately, so, you know. I mean, it is like oily. Yeah, it is kind of oily, but it does help rejuvenate the skin really well. I think though, I am going to go ahead and put some of my water cream on, which is from Tatcha. Just, you know, just bring some life back. But the botanical oils do help bring back the naturalness of the skin. And I'm really going for all natural now. So, yeah. I'm really trying my best to be like completely all natural. Just because I am concerned about what goes on my skin. Just because it's just good. So anyways, that is my finished look. I really like it. It's pretty rejuvenating. So yeah, I would suggest that. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys later. So today I'm doing the so as per usual, small piece. Let's just spend the hour here. Honestly, this one was just like the pink one. It smelled pretty good. It smelled like clay, and it felt kind of thick. Not on my face, but when I rubbed it in my hands, it felt thick. But it felt really good on my skin, especially when I just let it do its thing on my skin. Okay guys, it's been about 15 to 20 minutes, and now I'm just going to do the same thing to wipe it off. Take my aloe vera juice, which is on a cotton pad, put it down. You're going to put some more water in. Here's my Dr. Water Kit. I love you stuff. Alright guys, I hope you did enjoy this little video of the 3 masks from Sephora that I have, and I hope you did learn something new. If you did, comment down below what exactly did you learn. I know that I certainly did during this experiment, and you know, I am one to do a few experiments, so I like doing them. So I hope you did learn something. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos like this so that I know. And anyways, yeah, I think that's all for this video. I will talk to you guys another day. No. And I will see you all in my next video. Alright, bye guys. Love you.